Good morning from the White Mountains. Ayan, nandito kami ni Jeff sa, sa New Hampshire. New Hampshire. That's how they say it. We were planning to camp last night, kaya lang, kasi it's busy season because of the foliage. This is the part of the country where you go during during fall, like early to mid-fall, kasi nga, ang gaganda ng mga colors ng trees. Tapos yun, so we didn't reserve, kasi most of the camps are actually first come, first serve. So, ayun, pagdating namin, it's late na. I think it was 9 o'clock na, babe. Yeah, so mga 9:30. Kaya lahat ng camp, we check few camps, full na sila. So, we weren't able to, so we check in this hotel. It's not that bad because it's only $100, but it's just that like the energy is so negative. Alam nyo ba guys, I was, like me having cancer came in my mind, and I thought about Jeff losing his job. It's so crazy, napaka negative energy. Okay, teka nga, pakita ko pa rin sa inyo kasi yung alam nyo ba yung caretaker nito, she's super nice. Kaya sabi ko, okay, why not? Last minute naman na. So, we got here mga 11. So, ayun. Pakita ko. So, yan. Ito yung dalawang actually siyang bedroom. Wala namang walang pintuan yung mga bedroom. So, ayan. Yung kumot namin, ginamit namin. Ayokong gumagamit ng kumot ng hotel. Lalo na kapag it's covered with this colored stuff. At saka itong fleece. They don't wash that. I used to work for hotel, kaya alam ko. Ayan. So, tapos meron ito. Meron sila little table. Ito yung main entrance. Ano siya? Parang little cabin. It's separated from different units. Tapos ito yung isang bedroom. Don't mind Jeff's stuff. Ayan. Obviously, hindi namin ito ginamit. Si IJ pala, he stayed home. He's in his point of his life na you do what you guys wanna do. So, ayan. Tapos, Jeff is in the bathroom. Maliit lang yung bathroom. It's okay. Di ba? Ang pangit. Kaya lang kasi last minute na. Tsaka, Diyos ko, mag-aarte pa ba kami? Yung iba kasing, yung ibang hotel, it's at least $200, $300. And just for overnight, di ba? Kaya yan. So, hopefully, we'll get to find a camp for tonight. Our stuff is in the car. Yung mga firewood. Ayan. So, hopefully, today, pakita ko sa inyo sa harap. Ayan.
You don't have a razor, do you?
I do. Yeah. It's in that thing.
I don't need that.
Yeah. Ayan. Nakita niyo. Oh, diba? Colors. In the mountain. Ayan. Tapos meron pa dito. Ayan. Ay, grabe. Ang ganda ng dun. Teka lang, ha? Ganda. Yeah, we're hiking. Catching my breath. What's up? Ayan. Oh, you guys, look at the back. We're hiking 10 miles. That's the plan. Ayan, merong water, guys. See my lake. Huh? Ayan. Water. Ayan, nasa lake kami, guys. What, East Pond, right? East River Pond, is that the? Yeah. Ganda. Tignan nyo guys, so nagulat ako, napatras ako. Tignan nyo, nakakatakot, diba? Oh. Akala mo. Finally, water. My stick saved me earlier. Muntik na ako nadulas. May tao doon, oh. Napaka-relaxing, no? Pag may, flowing water. Relaxing sa, Yung camp pala namin, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya when we get back. We're next to, like, water. On top of the world. Yung hirap ng hike. Nakita niyo yung lake. Ang ganda! Kaya lang pamatay. It's like a deadly hike. We made it! Now 2 hours more. And we don't have any more sun. So, this is gonna be a struggle. Yeah. Good morning! Nandito na. Alam niyo ba, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. We got stuck last night. And it's too dark. Kaya hindi na yung phone. Grabe guys. We hiked for how many hours? 12? 11 hours. We got stuck. And then we didn't have...
No. 10 in the morning till 9 at night. A little bit after 9.
Jesus Christ. And then we got stuck without... we didn't get stuck, okay? We actually kept on going, but we didn't have water. We didn't have flashlight. Luckily, it was like a really bad situation. But, ayun. So, we got here in the camp. So, we started a fire. Luckily, we were able to cook our food. But then the ranger came. Bawal daw. There's no open fire at the moment. So, yun, pinatay nila yung that day is like, turned out to be very interesting in some way. But yeah. So, the plan is, we will gonna move, camp today, and we're not hiking. that's for sure. Let me tour you around to our camp. Ayan, dito kami natulog. So we have our sleeping bags. We have the same like sleeping bags. Kumain kami, hindi kami makapagluto buti na lang bumili kami ng cereal. Ayan, diyan kami natulog ni Jeff. Ayun, it's another camp on the other side. Tapos yan, we're by the water. I was hoping that there's animals when I woke up. Like right across this water stream. So, ayan. These are our food. Have some beer, some Beyond sausage, meat, chips. Ayan. Tapos meron kaming egg. Ayan. And then our water obviously is right there. And then yeah. It's a pretty neat camp. Ayan. At saka itong water, guys, it's so relaxing when you're sleeping. So, ganda, diba? Ayan. And we're ready to go to move to a different camp. We're going up to Mount Washington. So we're not even gonna pretend that we can hike today because yesterday's hike destroyed us. Like Jeff's ankle is hurting and mine too, just because of my injury from the Philippines, and then he actually injured his ankle in Utah. So ayan, it kind of, that hike yesterday reminded us that hey, you guys gotta take it easy. I'm not like that bad today. I could just feel it on my quads. Jeff's ankle is like really hurting right now. My ankle is like okay, it's really not that bad. So yeah, we're heading up. I'll show you there. And we got this welcome sticker. Jeff says this is really popular. I mean, I don't know if he wants to put this in his car.
It's kind of tacky, but...
Ayan. We'll wait until we're way up, and the view up there should be really, really pretty. Change of outfit kasi malamig dito. I think it dropped about like 20 degrees. Sweater na. Ano dito guys? Look. Good. Actually, when you reach up top of the mountain, the temperature significantly dropped about like 20 degrees. Tapos makikita nyo guys yung mga ayan, yung mga halaman, di ba? Sobrang hangin. And then those guys at my back, tingnan nyo, kasi nakatayo sila, so hinahangin sila. So it was really, really windy. Well, that was crazy. I'm so scared. Grabe ang hangin. So, ang lamig, guys. Mga ano, you think it like 30 degrees it dropped? Like the change of the temperature?
I don't know. I think it's probably like 50 degrees outside and the winds are like 50 miles per hour. I think
That's so crazy. I can't even walk.
Yeah.
Nakikita nyo ba guys yung ano, yung train, ayan. So, yung tourists, they actually try to, you have an option to drive in or take that train going up. I think driving is just way more fun. I mean, obviously hiking is like way fun, the most fun of all, but it's just gonna be like super difficult and like time consuming. So this is actually so much better, like just to drive it. Ayan, we're on the top! Yeah. I don't know if we're supposed to be here or if it's not recommended to be here. Oh, so it changed? Like from what color to what?
Just kidding. I have no idea. I'm making it up.
Let me see. Let me show it to the camera. What it is. Funky. What's that? It doesn't catch it. It basically turns the fire into different colors. Funky flames. That's what it's called. Holy shit. Dude, it doesn't do anything. I need a refund. Tignan nyo guys, iba-ibang kulay. Nilagyan namin ng ano, funky. What's that? Funky flames.